What's up, everybody? Happy Vlogtober. This is your girl Glenda, and you're watching another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. As I mentioned earlier, it is Vlogtober. You will not receive a video every day during the month of October, but you will receive some October videos. I'm doing this little voiceover right here, but introduce the video to you guys. I hope that you enjoy. Sit back, listen to a little bit of music. Love y'all and thank y'all for stopping by. On today's episode, I am fixing for you all some teriyaki chicken and rice. And it was absolutely delicious. If you decide to try this recipe, make sure you let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.
I don't know if you have heard that in my world you're the light. Yeah, yeah. So buy me time, oh buy me time, baby. Oh, I know it's in the late hour. I've crossed the line.
take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop